our channel Release on Netflix, let's start the video now. Netflix's German drama and sci-fi mystery hit the streaming platform with a bang. The collection dropped 6 severe episodes some weeks ago, which became without delay fed on via way of means of the hungry, binge-looking community. Season 1 led to a cliffhanger, leaving enthusiasts screaming for greater. With an exceptional target market reception, are we able to count on for Season 2 to follow? Let's discover. Great news! Biohackers enthusiast Netflix is formally bringing Biohackers for Season 2. The display has simply premiered at the streaming platform on August 20th. However, Netflix became so thrilled with the target market reception, it is determined to resume the collection proper ahead. Filming for Season 2 is ready to start with inside the coming months in Freiburg and Munich. It's incredible that Biohackers will maintain. Thematically, the second season can even address ethical and moral problems around biohacking and genome editing, writer Christian Dieter tells Deadline. There's no legit launch date, but we are hopeful that Season 2 could launch at the identical month a subsequent year, August 2021. That is, that if the filming could now no longer go through delays because of the coronavirus pandemic. The desirable factor is that Netflix already introduced that each month Season 2 episodes could drop in a single go, not like a few collection wherein season episodes have been launched in parts. With this method, we will have sufficient episodes to binge watch while Season 2 lands on the platform. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The important solid participants are anticipated to reprise their roles for Biohacker Season 2. Luna Welder is sure to go back as Emma, Mia Ackerland, Angels collectively with Jessica Schwartz as Professor Tanja Lawrence. We are additionally waiting to Pierre Thomas Bren as Nicholas, Adrian Julius Stillman as Jasper, Zeynep Bosbey as Petra Eller and Caro Cult as Laura. Although not anything has been showing, but there may be an opportunity we will additionally see new faces for the brand new season. Biohackers follows Emma and a collection of genius college students at a German college who receives it strangled with an effective but risky biohacking technology. Season 1 led to a cliffhanger. Even though Emma failed to die in Season 1, she unearths herself in an exceptionally tough situation. After proving that Professor Tanja Lawrence is certainly unanswerable for the unlawful genetic experiments, Emma fell into the entice after trusting Dr. Andreas Winter. The former scientist and a now journalist for Stanford Quarterly has a much greater sinister plan for Emma and Lawrence's research. Netflix government Rachel Ejeby already showed that we should see each Emma and Lawrence maintain the narrative in Season 2. Given the overwhelmingly tremendous reaction to the primary season, we are pleased to move into every other season of Biohackers with Christian Dieter, Clausen Platz as the two exceptional actresses, Luna Welder and Jessica Schwartz with inside the main roles. We are surprisingly excited to discover how Marrows will maintain among Mia and Professor Tanja Lawrence. Ejeby stated through Express UK. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. And if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.